Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So a while back I did a video on my Type R talking about the 3D Max Spider floor mats and how great they were in the Type R. Now it's been a few weeks now. I still enjoy it, but now I had the X5 back, got a chance to really see how the elegant mats were to do. Let's check those out. All right, see, the elegant mat still gives you, it's almost like a hybrid between a full all-weather mat, how it has the raised edges, and see how it, if I can get the sunlight out of here, how it covers everything. So any spills, everything still can be contained, but you still get the benefit of the carpet. Now, I think if I were to do it, I'm not sure, because I do like this. I do like the fact I can vacuum it out. And the elegant gives you a little bit, doesn't show like, hey, everybody, I got all weather mats in the car. And, you know, this is what I have. It's almost like you got the best of both worlds. Now, if you say, you know, I don't like that, I'd rather just have it all weather. I'm going to show you the clip here with the Max Spider floor mat. You can look at that and see how you like that one as well. Now, going across the back, you can see, let me just go to the other side because the sunlight is really hurt me on this one. So, coming across the back, you can see this mat offers the same amount of protection. So, I mean, if the kids were to puke or something, then, you know, at least I'm still protected. It's really thick, solid feel. This mat isn't going anywhere. They have their Max Spider protection in here. Still got the visible light. And obviously, I mean, if I were to just put some Scotch Guard on that, that would be perfect. Now, why would you want to upgrade this and not keep your OEM mats? OEM mats are good. I just feel like the OEM mats, they tend to wear. And you know what I mean, when, especially on the driver's seat, your heel wears that area as you transition from the brake to the gas pedal. So you get that extra reinforcement, but everything else in here just, and there's like, you got all your factory adjustments from here, 3D logo, and you know, especially like bats, like some other brands, I don't like somehow their logos and stuff, but the 3D one, I don't mind it. It doesn't look too bad sitting there. Let me know what you guys think about this. Like I said, it does have the raised edges. I think it does a little bit better with the premium, premium cars, but I think either mat, you can't go wrong. I think the 3D, the Kaigu mats, I think will still be pretty good with these. So I'm gonna show some B-roll, both mats, and you guys can tell me, what you think. If you like what you see, there is a link in the description. Check them out. You get $10 off, and it's alternative, something different. Anyway, thanks for watching.